afternoon, you guys. Today is Wednesday. I'm on my way home from work. Coming out of the Memorial Day weekend holiday. And we had a good weekend. So Quinn had a little birthday party. Today's her actual birthday. She's 5 years old today. And yeah, we got like an inflatable bounce house. And we did all kinds of fun things for her birthday. So tonight we're just gonna chill, just me and her tonight. The boys are gonna be at wrestling, and I need to figure out what to make for dinner. I'm thinking turkey burgers. I'm tired. I have been getting up really early for me. This morning I got up at 5:30. I made myself coffee, lounged around for a little while, and then took Dolly for a walk, which I've been trying to do every morning as long as the weather cooperates. So took Dolly for a walk, came home, got myself ready, and went to work. And I didn't go to bed early enough last night, so tonight I need to try and be asleep by 10:30. That's doable, right? What time do you guys go to bed? I have a hard time going to bed when the sun is still up. It seems like such a waste to me. A waste of daylight. Yeah, tell me what time you guys go to bed. Tell me what your nighttime routine is, because mine's probably not the healthiest. I pretty much like get the kids in bed, clean up a little bit, make sure my dogs are happy. I'll climb in bed and I'll play my little Nintendo Switch for a while until I just get tired. Or if I don't get tired soon enough, I'll take half a melatonin, like 5 milligrams, pushes me over the edge. So just a little bit of melatonin helps. Gotta pay attention, we're at a weird intersection. Sorry, I just had to cross 4 lanes of traffic. So anyway, yeah, I play my little Nintendo Switch game. I've been playing the funnest game. So you guys know I was into Animal Crossing for a while. I've kind of fallen off the bandwagon with Animal Crossing because it kind of started to feel like work. Like you just have to get on there and like do these little tasks, and like there just wasn't fun anymore. Like I like the decorating and the finding things and like how cute the game itself is, but it just wasn't fun anymore. So I switched to this Disney game. It's called Dreamlight Valley or something like that. I forget exactly what the name is, but it is so fun. Oh, I love it so much. So you create like your own little Disney world, and you farm and you find things and you get new characters and you put new houses. Like I just got the Encanto mansion yesterday and put it in my valley. And what's next? Oh, so I keep seeing, you guys don't care about this, but there's like a little ghost of Minnie Mouse that keeps showing up, and I'm trying to like figure out what that is. There's like some kind of mystery around that, so I'm trying to figure that out. And what else? I reached like a whole new level in that game yesterday. Actually, literally, I reached a whole new level, but also like I completed a bunch of tasks that I had been working on for a while. So I was so excited. So I quit the game after I leveled up. So I'm excited to play again tonight and work on my little valley. So let me know if you guys play that. It's actually really, really fun. I was thinking about doing my nails tonight, but it just makes it so hard to type. I type a lot. Oh, also, my new favorite thing in the whole wide world is these headbands. I'm obsessed. I spent $6.99 on like 8 of them, and I'm obsessed. I love them. Look how cute. It actually looks like it's wrapped around my head, which is not. it's just adorable. You guys are gonna see me wear one of these every day for the rest of my life. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Good afternoon, you guys. It's Thursday. I'm out walking the dogs. We're out here on a side road. Frankie has pulled me for the last half a mile. Pulled me. He is stronger than he looks. Yes, I make Dolly carry the poop bags. Look how he pulls. He won't just walk. He just has to keep pulling. He's gonna be exhausted. Good morning. It's Friday morning. Getting ready to leave for work. I'm actually running late, but I wanted to come say hi to Henry. He's out here doing his morning stroll. This is the only time I usually see him. Henry! There's little boy. Hi, little boy. Hi. What you want? What you want? I didn't leave you any snacks today, did I? I'll see if I can get you something tonight. I need to clean up the fridge anyway. This is normally where I drop his leftovers. I hear you. I hear you. Are you catching worms? Are you catching worms? Alright, Mama's got to go to work. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Alright, I'm going to work my butt off this Friday. Make it go by fast. Oh, I hate when there's trash in my car. Alright, where's my purse? Alright, there's my purse. We're gonna stop by the dumpster on the way out. Get rid of all this trash. We stopped at Dairy Queen yesterday, and my family just gets out of the car and leaves their trash. It's chilly out this morning. My car says it's 61, but it feels a lot cooler than that. Okay, let's get this trash out of here. Trash number one. And there's some in the back too. Drives me nuts. And the trash people, we got a new trash company. They haven't picked up our trash for 2 weeks. First, there was an issue with our start date. And then there was the holiday. And then I don't know what the excuse was the first time they forgot. It drives me nuts. And gosh, I'm not showing you guys my vehicle because it is awful. I'm gonna go through the car wash this afternoon. I have to get this vacuumed out, cleaned up. It's gross. Now, why is this in here? Does it make any sense? All right. Good enough for now. On the road. We're on the road. Happy Saturday morning. Best day of the week. Here with Quinn. We're having breakfast. Well, it's technically lunch. I got French toast, eggs, bacon, some scrambled eggs. Drinking some coffee. I had a mimosa. It's gonna be a good day. We don't have anything planned today. Do we? We can do whatever we want. You definitely what? Hey, Gavin's. That looks good. He's playing checkers. Let's go check out this weather situation that's happening. Wind is blowing from the south, clearly. Okay. Rainy day. Came outside because Gavin has a friend over and dang it. So I found a couch on the side of the road yesterday, an outdoor couch that was like pristine condition. It was dirty, a little bit dirty, like it had cobwebs on it and stuff, but you could tell like they've only had it for maybe a year. So we found that on the side of the road for free yesterday. So I scrubbed all these cushions with Dawn and a scrub brush, and here are the cushions, and one of the dogs came out here and peed on them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. They didn't want to go out in the rain, I guess. Yeah, it's a really soggy day. We haven't been doing much today. I did my nails. While I watched Peanut Butter Falcon. That's a great movie. If you guys have ever seen it, you know it's a really good one. But we went to breakfast this morning at Cracker Barrel. Britt, my husband, had to do like a side job, so while he was doing that, we just kind of slept in and enjoyed laying in the bed. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. We are going to fry fish in about an hour. And what else? We got asparagus, sweet corn, fish, and shrimp. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so delightful. So delightful. Got that fish going, gonna make some corn. Here's the finished fish. Happy Sunday, you guys. It's a very relaxing day. So the boys just left to go to wrestling. It's just me and Quinn here. She's actually taking a nap right now. It's about 3:30. So it's been a busy day so far. Not really busy, but like I've been productive. So we got up about 8:30, made breakfast. We had pancakes and sausage, and we did some laundry. I did something that I've been needing to do for like years. Check this out. This is our junk drawer, and I actually went through it this morning and organized it. Look at it. Oh yes, look at that. Isn't that nice? All organized. If you watch Bluey, this is not the funniest thing ever. My husband got it for me to put on my car, but like I work in a corporate setting, so I can't have this on my car, but isn't it funny? I think we might put it on the camper. I don't know. But I did that one. And then I also did my vanity. I organized it because I never use this vanity to actually do my makeup because there's really crappy lighting in here. So I just never do it. I stand at the kitchen or at the bathroom mirror. But look, I organized everything. Isn't that nice? A lot of these are empty, but see, that one's organized. I don't actually remember what's in this one. Nothing. So got that organized, and that's pretty much all I've done today. I swept and mopped, and we just got laundry going. I bought these off of the Amazon for like 20 bucks. This is what I use to organize. Getting ready to wash my brushes, and I might actually thin out my little collection here. I ordered a new set today because I desperately needed one because I never clean my brushes. They get disgusting. But there are a few in here that I'm gonna keep that aren't very old, and I just need to clean them up pretty good. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today, to be honest. We ordered pizza for lunch. I had like a vegetable pizza. It's called the L. So it's like garlic, spinach, tomato, onion maybe, and it was really, really good. And everybody else just got regular pepperoni. So that's what we had for lunch, and we got extra so that we could just have that for dinner, me and Quinn, and then whatever's left I'll take to lunch tomorrow. So I hope you guys had a great week. I really enjoyed doing this week-long vlog with you. It really takes the pressure off of having to remember to pick up the camera constantly every day. So I just get little clips of each day and I mush them together, and this is what you get. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to stick around, and we will talk to you next time. Bye.